In 1A, the teacher collected data and developed understanding around identity, including a CSTP co-assessment, and used this information as a jumping off point into 1B to create a CSTP-focused SMARTY goal. Start 1C by copying and pasting the SMARTY goal and action steps from 1B. Having the goal at the top of 1C makes it easy to stay focused on the goal and more specifically on the action steps as the teacher begins the work to reach the goal. A full cycle is about 6 to 8 weeks. As the work is being done, you will collect evidence. The evidence collected can be in the form of the following tools: observation notes and debrief, lesson or unit plans, student work analysis, assessments, video clips and debrief, journal, just to name a few. Begin to think about which type of evidence or tool makes the most sense for the goal. For example, if the goal is 1.6, monitoring student learning and adjusting instruction while teaching, the observation tools could be a good source of evidence for this goal. However, if the goal is 4.3, developing and sequencing long-term and short-term instructional plans to support student learning, a unit plan may capture the evidence better to show progress in this goal. For each goal cycle, 4 pieces of evidence must be linked. You want to collect evidence at the beginning of the cycle, which will act as a baseline. This is labeled pre or baseline. You may have linked the same evidence in 1A, in which case you may link the same ones in 1C if applicable. In other words, it's okay to double dip. A baseline observation and a summative observation is required. Even if it might not be the best evidence for the goal, it is still required. However, the pre-observation can be an informal short version. In addition, one more coordinating set of tools must be linked as evidence. Here are some examples of coordinating sets. Beyond the set of 2 coordinating pieces of evidence, you may link any additional tools, coordinating or uncoordinating. For any of the evidence or tools, you may use the district or site templates, or you have the option to use modified versions. In addition to collecting evidence, teachers need to engage in professional development that supports their learning and growth towards their SMARTY goal. Collaboration with colleagues, PD, professional reading, professional research, or observation of colleagues. Make sure to document at least one learning opportunity the teacher engaged in.